Good morning children. Welcome back to online classes. So children, previous class we have finished the dazzling sky lesson. In that lesson children, we have discussed about the sun, moon, clouds and stars. So let me revise all those things whatever we finished in the previous classes, then we'll do the textbook activity. Okay children, so in this lesson children, we have discussed about the star, moon, sun. They all are very high, and children, at night we can see the stars and moon, and in the daytime we can see the sun. So what does the sun gives us children? Sun gives us heat and light. In the daytime we can see the clouds are white and sky blue color. We can see the clouds give the difference of shape. Sometimes we can see in the clouds elephant shape, ice cream shape, butterfly shape. Numbers of shapes and images we can see in the clouds. So when there is a clouds are white and sky blue color, that means the day is very sunny. When the clouds becomes very dark, black in color, that means it's supposed to rain. Black clouds bring the rain. Have I shown the images also? The black clouds which brings the rain. So, when the sun rises, the sunlight is the main source, or we say the main energy for all living things. It gives the energy for all living things. Children, stars are twinkling in the sky. So with the help of telescope, we can see the numbers of stars, planets, asteroids. Who invented telescope children? Galileo invented the telescope. So with the telescope we can see the numbers of stars, planets in the sky. Children, so these are the things we have discussed in the previous class. And even though we also discussed about the rainbow. When we see the rainbow children, when there is a little rain and the sunlight is there, that time we can see the rainbow. Rainbow have the 7 colors. Okay children, so what is the shape of your sun and moon? Yes, the shape of the sun and moon is the round. Clear children? So remember, sun is also star only, but this sun star have the very bright light. It is a huge ball of fire which gives us heat and light. And I have shown the images also children. Now we will do the textbook activity children. So here whatever I will write on the board, so everything you have to copy down. Okay children. So now first we see they had asked choose the correct answer. What is the first one here? First they ask choose the correct answers. This is textbook activity children. First one, a rainbow has dash colors. A rainbow has dash colors. Option they had given 3, B is 5 and then D C is 7. Next one. Sometime dash hide the sun. Sometime dash hide the sun. Option is moon, A, moon, B, clouds, and then C, stars. Next one. The sun is dashed in shape. The sun is dashed in shape. So option they had given round, A is round, B is square, and then C is oval. Next one. We get heat and light from the dash. We get heat and light from the dash. Moon, A1, moon, B is star, and then C is, here they had given sun, sun, and then C is clouds. So we'll take the correct answers here. What they ask here, first one, a rainbow has dash color. So how many colors are there in the rainbow, children? Yes, there are the 7 colors in rainbows. So how many? See here, option they are given A 3, B 5, and then C is 7. So 7 is correct answer. Clear, children? 7. Next, sometimes dash hide the sun, moon, clouds, and stars. Who will hide the sun? Stars will hide. Stars we can see in the night. Moon also we can see in the night. Then clouds. Clouds we can see the daytime. So sometimes clouds hide the sun. So what should come here? Clouds. Next, the sun is dashed in shape. What is the shape of the sun, children? Yes, it's a round shape. Next, we get heat and light from. How we will get the heat and light? Moon, sun, or cloud? Yes, we get the heat and light from the sun. Yeah, children? Yes, now we'll revise this, then I will go to the next one. A rainbow has 7 colors. Sometimes clouds hide the sun. The sun is round in shape. We get heat and light from the sun. Now here, children, what you have to do? So these are all the things you have to copy down in EVS notebook. Write the day, date, lesson number right, unit 10. Lesson name is The Dazzling Sky, and then write the heading, first one, choose the correct answer, and these all the things you have to copy down in your EVS blanks. First one, the sun give us dash and dash. Next, the stars are dash in the sky. The stars are dash in the sky. Next, third one, without the sun there will be no dash. Fourth one, the sun and moon are both dash in shade. Last one, dash clouds bring rain. These are the 5 filling the blanks. Now we'll fill, children. The sun gives us dash and dash. What the sun gives us, children? What does it give us? Yes, the sun gives us heat and light. So don't do the spelling mistake, children. Write correctly. Next one. The stars are dash in the sky. What the stars do in the sky? Yes, they are twinkling. What they do? They are twinkling. Without the sun, there will be light. Without the sun, there will be no light. If there is a sun, then we can see the light. The sun and moon are both dash in shape. Which shape they both are? Round in shape. Dash clouds bring rain. Which clouds bring rain, children? White, black, blue. Which clouds? Yes. Black clouds bring the rain. Black clouds bring rain. So these are the filling the blanks, children. Let me revise, then I will go to the next one. So here, children, you have to copy correctly. Don't do the any spelling mistake. The sun gives us heat and light. The stars are twinkling in the sky. Without the sun, there will be no light. The sun and moon are both round in shape. Next we'll do the third map, that is the match the following. Match the following. A and B. First one, stars. Second, sun. Third, moon. Fourth, clouds. On the side, I will draw the images, children. You have to match it. Yes, now we'll match this word with pictures. Okay, children? So, what is the first one here? Stars. Where is the star here? Yes, you have to match this with the star. Okay, children? The next you can see the sun. Where is the sun? Yes, the sun is here. So, match it. Next is moon. Where is the moon? Yes. Down is what here? Moon. Last one is clouds. You can see the clouds here. These are the match the following, children. Draw the neatly pictures and then complete the classwork. Next we'll see the next name, that is the fourth one. Draw the pictures of the sun, moon and stars and color it. So you should color also, children. So here I will make a 4 part. 3 I asked, no? So yes, then 3 only. So first we'll draw the sun. Draw neatly, children. Draw the sun very neatly. And then you should color it. You should write their name also. What is this? You should write down sun. Next, what they ask? Next, they ask the stars. Then write it down. Stars. And then you should color it. Okay? The next one is what here? Moon. So this is moon. So children, draw all the pictures very neatly and clean and then color it. See, you should color for the sun. You should give the yellow and orange. You can use for the stars. For the star and moon, you can use the silver color. Okay, silver color you can use for star what is your work here? You have to write this all the things in the EVS notebook. Whatever I have given first way, choose the correct answer. Second, fill in the blanks. Third is match the following, and finally last one is draw the pictures of the sun, moon and star and then color it. Don't take the help of your parents, children. So this you have to draw yourself only and color it. Everything write very clearly in the EVS notebook without spelling mistake. Leave the one line after finishing the one question and then complete this lesson. Clear, children? So I will send the new words. After sending the new words only, you have to copy all the things in your EVS notebook. So in this lesson, children, you don't have any exercise. So this all the things I have removed myself only for you people to learn to by this all the things. One more is there, children. Last one, they have asked draw the rainbow and then finally color it. That I have given the activity for you children to draw the rainbow and color it. I hope you all are done. Yeah, no? So this you complete in the EVS notebook and then send me that. So complete the EVS notebook. These notes I am not going to send in the app. So you have to copy down all the things from this video only. ಈ ಲೆಸನ್ ಇಂದ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಆಪ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಳಿಸೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನೇನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲ EVS ನೋಟ್ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ಸೊ ರೈಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಒನ್ ಟೈಮ್ and then complete the class work. Only one time, okay? I will give the 2 days. So children, whatever I given in this video notes, you have to copy down. So write this all the things one time in your EVS notebook. So take a 2 days time. Children, take a 2 days time and complete these notes and then send me in the app. Okay children? So this is our today's class.